There's like close to what, 8,000 shops?
8,000 shops here. It's super hot and humid, but there's like a lot of good finds here. Like a lot of stuff at an affordable price.
A lot of clothes, souvenirs, shoes, everything.
Yeah. All right, our first stop is eating baby octopus.
It was my 100 baht.
Okay. And it was only how much?
100 baht.
100 baht. We came across the cutest shop. You customize your own luggage tags. So stinking cute. So I ended up getting an elephant with my name engraved. This has to be the best souvenir I have ever came across while traveling. This is so cute and it's made out of leather. It was 290 baht, like around $9. Alright, you already know. We're gonna get a staple here in Thailand. It's like the 100 baht, like $3-4. Look how many. So many colors. While we shop, we're gonna get some. It's a Thai tea break. So we have been here for like 5 hours, a couple of hours, and we bought a lot of things. But we found good deals. We found really good deals, and it's so humid. There's a lot of people. It's really hot and humid. Like if the pants weren't enough. Yeah, this is so cute. All right, so we found her favorite, a Coke popsicle.
A Coke popsicle.
Because it's so humid and hot.
What'd you buy?
All right, I found these instant Thai teas. So excited. I think I might have hit my limit because I only got 2 shirts and it was close to 1,000 baht or even more.
Damn, 1,000? Dang, sister.
An amazing find. Pillowcases. So beautiful. Look what I found. Yummy. Got these desserts. You can actually eat the paper. Let's see. You can. But it looks like this. Our shopping, what, 4 hours? Yeah. 4 hours shopping, we're getting a foot massage. And it was only 200 baht, which is what, like $6 for 45 minutes. It's gonna be the best. Thank you for making me cry.
Yeah, oh, my pleasure.
We just got done with our massage and it was $25 for 4 people, 45 minutes. That's insane.
They made me cry.
Insane, but it was so good. Yeah.
Fresh squeezed orange juice. Yummy. Got our lemonade. Yummy. Little baby crab. How baby crab? So good. So good. This was everything we bought.